So this project is really designed to address both environmental issues and farmer issues. So farmers, when they're applying nitrogen into the crops, they don't want to waste the nitrogen that they're applying. Don't apply too much and then have it go into the atmosphere and the ground, in the groundwater. And so we're trying to determine how much nitrogen is really needed by trying to minimize what's actually lost to the atmosphere and what's lost to the ground. I had started the collection of a lot of data in the field many years ago, but I had never been able to get it from the trailer or from my field location into the office or the lab or the campus in any efficient fashion. So we had data that would take maybe 2 weeks to get collected from various locations in the US. And then it takes a long time from that point to actually get the data processed. So what we're trying to do with this kind of a project is to streamline the whole process, take the data that we're getting in today and find out our answers by tomorrow. The implementation of this whole process really has required AgIT's engagement. And they've been working with me for now over 3 years. So this kind of connected research, putting the linkage between the field and the campus or the field and the research lab, is fairly unique. In my field, we largely work in field conditions where we're collecting a lot of data, but it basically stays in the field and we have no high-speed means to be able to transfer that data on a regular basis back to campus. This project has had the advantage of this connected data transfers, both from the point of view of manpower and speed of transfer and processing of data. And so because we're integrating so many different kinds of instruments in this field, we really are fairly much at the cutting edge in terms of connectivity. So the linkage of AgIT and ITaP and myself have been able to work in collaboration to make this project a success.